let us dive into the beautiful backstory. Oh, you can see my other guitar in the reflection. Let's dive into the beautiful story of how I gave birth to this no, I'm just kidding. How me and my lover met. No, I'm just kidding. Okay, this is how I came to purchase this wonderful, beautiful instrument. It looks like a legit Fender, but no, it's a Squire. You see that? I love this headstock. It looks so cool. This is the deluxe player in candy apple red and gold. You heard that right. And this one has the trem, which, let me tell you, if you get a Jazzmaster, you gotta get one with the trem. Stop tail, like the whole point, the whole like loveliness of the Jazzmaster and Jaguar too, is that it has this wonderful trem. This isn't even plugged in, but you get the picture. It has a sick trem system. It's what made this guitar so sick. Like My Bloody Valentine and all of the modern day bands that are inspired by that original sound. Even like the Smiths. You know, there's a lot of bands that use the Jazzmaster that like weren't even jazz bands. I watched a lot of videos on the Jazzmaster and its history and how it wasn't even initially used for jazz, even though that was Leo Fender's kind of plan for it, was to fill that niche. But it didn't even end up getting used by those people, and for a good reason, because it has like such a beachy but also like mellow rock vibe, kind of like hypnotic sound with the trem, and I just love it. I really wanted to get one, and I went to trade in my Breedlove guitar that I never played. It was a Breedlove acoustic player or something like that, and I saw this beauty, this wonderful, I keep showing you the color because it's just like so amazing. This is a 2017 deluxe player in candy apple red and gold, and I saw this on the used wall and it was like $270, which is like amazing because usually these were like $400 to start with, and you can't find them anywhere. You know, like Reverb and those resale places usually have like every guitar imaginable. They had 0 listings for this guitar, and I was like, I gotta seize this opportunity. I've wanted a Jazzmaster. These are super rare. I love the colors. Like, as you can tell, I really love green and red, and cool colorways. I'm a color girl, so as like a graphic designer and stuff like that, I just really like bright contrast. So I seized the opportunity, traded into my Breedlove, got like $160 for it, and I used that towards this. I also had a Guitar Center gift card for $50. Use that. Dude, I only had to pay like $50 or $60 for this. $50 or $60 for this beauty. So, you know, if you ever like see a guitar that you really want, seize the opportunity, because in 10, 20 years, or even the next day, you will regret it if you don't get it. And this is a message because, dude, I literally just got a new guitar like a couple weeks ago. My Strat. My Strat right here. This bad boy is there. If you want to see a better spec video on that guitar, then go check out my unboxing or my previous covers where I use that guitar. But yeah, I just got that guitar, so I was like, I don't need another guitar. But in my brain, I knew that this was a rare opportunity. So you know what? I seized it. I got this beauty, and I definitely do not regret it. I'm happy to finally reveal it to you guys, because now I can start doing covers on it and stuff. But I just wanted to make it a dramatic reveal because, you know, it's quite the amazing guitar, so it deserves it, you know? So I'm gonna start doing some covers on this guitar. If you have any ideas of songs that you want me to do, I'd love to hear it. And yeah, so drop a comment, like the vid, and covers soon to come with this beauty. Oh, I love it. And you know, another thing too is like, used guitars are sometimes the coolest. They have character already, and sometimes a little bit of wear on a guitar is really nice. That's why like guitars from like the 60s, 70s sound so sick, is because they've had so many lives before you play it. And some people don't like that. Some people want a clean new guitar, but I'm definitely not like that. I'm really into like vintage and older stuff, and this is only from 2017, but I can definitely sense like this guitar has had life, and that's like really inspiring when you're playing and practicing. Another thing about practicing is this guitar neck is super thin. You can even tell from looking at it like that. Super thin, super comfortable to play. The fret lengths are like really big, but not too big as in like it's hard to stretch multiple frets, you know what I'm saying? But large enough that you can definitely tell the difference from like a Strat or another guitar. So I don't know, it's a very unique guitar. I would recommend checking it out. And dude, Jazzmaster, you gotta look into it. You gotta get on that program if you're not on it already. Like, I'm just telling you, it's great. You won't regret it. Next time you're in a guitar store, just play one. Just do it. And maybe you'll end up buying it like I did. Anyway, see you guys soon. And we'll do some sick covers.